Hi subbies and future subbies, welcome to my channel. I do book reviews here where I will read a book and I will post a video review of it here on my channel, and I will link in the description box where you can buy it. I have found lots of wonderful ways of accessing the book on Libby, as well as from my own personal library. Best places I found to get books, and quick and easy. I also like to do reviews. I've done reviews on a phone case that I had received. It is the Mophie Juice Pack case. I also really enjoy doing tag videos on my channel here, which are a lot of fun and definitely very wonderful. And my favorite video definitely is to give advice, tips, and tricks. I have all of these that will be in playlists, so they'll be easily accessible for you and perfect to binge watch. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of this awesome content.